Making an amazing omelet requires the right tools. Follow along. Using my high heat spatula, I go around the perimeter and tilt the pan slightly. Omelette paysan. Hello, Chef here with yet another product review. So as you know, I love Made in the USA. It's the quality and the superior performance and the longevity. There's so many things. This butcher block here is like 20 plus years old. We're rocking it every day. Love it. It's amazing. My spatula, well, this one here is about 10 to 12 years old. The problem is bacteria can, food and bacteria can accumulate down here where the wood meets the silicone. However, this is FDA approved food grade high heat silicone that goes to 500 degrees. You can see the end of it's just starting to wear a little bit. I like the curvature and the shape. So I got with this manufacturer and we improved the design. Here we go. This is the new design. These are about 10 inches long, I believe, maybe a little longer than that. The hole allows you to hang it. If you like to add a little loop of leather or string in there, you can hang them up if you want to. But anyway, no more bacteria right here. The handle's slightly weighted. It's really stiff. However, the head is slightly flexible. It's got the curve that I like, just like the other one there. You can see the curve really nice. It's the perfect spatula set. I believe these are sold as a set of 4 at the sponsor. Check it out, learn more, and again, the sponsor has all these exclusives. You just can't get it anywhere else because everyone else wants to sell you the cheap garbage. These are really nice. They're not expensive. I think like $7 a piece or something like that. I don't know. But the quality is there, and that's what Chef is looking for. These should last at least 10 years if you take care of them. I use them for omelets. I use them for whipped cream, heavy cream, buttercream, flipping over potatoes, pancakes, you name it. These spatulas get put to the test. Like I said, this one's over 10 years old. It's still going strong, but this is the improved design. Thanks for watching. Get them at your sponsor right there. While you're there, shop the butcher blocks. Perfect gift. Perfect gift. Oh yeah. Let's get cooking. It's gonna be good. These are thick, sticky, fat, juicy, #1 grade Madagascar beans. They also have a variety of beans from all over the world. You can also contact the sponsor if you need gallons of extract, vanilla paste, or other gourmet vanilla products. So this is what I'm talking about right here. Sticky, the sticky. Let's get into the sticky. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put a little on this knife. By the way, this is a Japanese Damascus knife. You can learn more about this on the channel. Just search Japanese Damascus knives and you're going to learn about these things. Really, really nice. Now, look at what I got here. This is full flavor. This is where all the flavor comes from out of the vanilla bean right there. Just leave a little bit off the neck here for fermentation, and also because every now and then you're going to give a little shake. You're going to tip it back and forth. You want those air bubbles to move around the seed specks, which you can already see. So you're buying a Japanese knife online? Do your research. Professional chefs use our knives around the world. Check it out. Finish with a little bit of fresh grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Wow. With proper care and maintenance, they will last you for decades. Wow. The perfect cooking surface. So as a professional chef, I get asked all the time, what is a safe cutting board? This is the one you've seen on TV. Professional chefs use them, and there's a good reason why. It's going to be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5" thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. In my kitchens, I have several. This one here is going on, oh, I think this end grain rock maple is over 20 years old now. It's been cut on a million times. The knife does not hurt it. It's the hardest surface you want for your knife contact like this. Cutting, chopping, slicing, dicing will not hurt the knife blade, will not hurt the block. Check your sponsor there. They're having a free shipping sale. Exceptional. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes, with a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5 inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. You're gonna like it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes,